Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make smoothie powder. First, select your favorite fresh, ripe fruits and vegetables. Ensure they are thoroughly washed and completely dry. Next, prepare your ingredients by cutting them into small, uniform pieces. This step is crucial for achieving consistent drying and a fine powder later on. Aim for pieces no larger than 1/2 inch for best results. Now, let's move on to the drying process. Arrange your prepared fruit and vegetable pieces in a single layer on your dehydrator trays, ensuring no pieces overlap. Set your dehydrator to a consistent temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the ingredients to dehydrate for approximately 6 to 12 hours, or until they are completely brittle and snap easily when bent. This ensures all moisture is removed. Once your ingredients are perfectly dry and brittle, it's time to turn them into powder. Carefully transfer the dried pieces into a high-speed blender or a dedicated spice grinder. Blend on the highest setting until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder. For an extra smooth texture, sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve. Any larger pieces can be reblended to ensure uniformity. Finally, proper storage is key to maintaining the quality of your homemade smoothie powder. Transfer the powder into an airtight container immediately after blending. Store it in a cool, dark place, away from any humidity or direct sunlight. When you're ready to enjoy, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your custom powder to your favorite smoothie recipe for a quick and nutritious boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.